Hello and welcome to channel 5046. I'm Haley Tansen. This is my handsome co-worker, Will Gibson.
The Thunder Guard just tore his... Oh, this just in. There's been a tornado warning spotted by a Doppler radar in Oklahoma City, and it is said that it could be headed toward Chesapeake Energy Arena. This is a tornado warning. I repeat, a tornado warning. Everyone take cover in a safe place. Now we're going to send it over to Haley Tams on this devastating tornado.
I'm going to send it over to Will inside the Chesapeake Energy Arena to talk about the situation inside. I'm right outside of the Chesapeake Energy Arena. As you can see, the winds are picking up.
Oh. The game has been delayed due to a serious tornado warning that's about to touch down.
Thanks, Will. The game has just been delayed, and the people are now evacuating to the basement of the Chesapeake Energy Arena.
The winds have really picked up here with debris flying everywhere. The tornado has just touched down. The tornado has just touched down 10 miles away from Chesapeake Energy Arena.
Go.
The winds are coming out at a speed of 250 miles per hour. Now back to Cole to explain the characteristics of tornadoes. Wait.
Never mind.
Push it.
With a violent tornado like this, the wind speeds can cause a tremendous amount of damage by throwing the objects around and destroying buildings that are not able to withstand the tornado. So that's why you need to find shelter that will protect you. A tornado occurs when warm air meets with cold air and move around each other, creating a spinning vortex. Currently, right now, it is an EF5 tornado. This is the most severe tornado of its kind. The tornado has a diameter of 1 mile and will destroy anything in its path. That looks like a brown funnel made up of air, dust, and water. Now back to Will. Go.
Thanks, Cole. Tornadoes are very common in this distinct area. The odds of this great of a tornado is 0.1%. The earlier storm near the arena gave birth to this great tornado. Tornadoes are most likely to occur during the late spring or early summer, so it's not uncommon that this one is about to touch down during this playoff basketball game. Although tornadoes are most likely to occur during these seasons, they have been reported in every state and in every season. Here's Michael to tell you how to be safe during a tornado. Gotcha!
Thanks, Will. If a tornado is coming to you, go to your basement or a safe interior room on the lowest level of your house. Be sure to stay away from windows and to be alert. Most people die from tornadoes by not being aware. When you get into the safe room, remember to
Crouch, face down, and cover your head.
It is possible, but a mattress or a thick blanket over you for protection against glass or debris.
Thank you, Michael.
Now we are going to send it back to Haley T at the desk.
Go.
Thanks, Michael. Most of the tornadoes that touch down in the United States are in Tornado Alley, which starts in central Texas and goes through North Oklahoma, central Kansas, Nebraska, and eastern South Dakota. It sometimes drifts east through Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana to western Ohio.
Interesting. Haven't some of these severe storms occurred in Illinois?
March 18th, 1925, the Great Tri-State Tornado occurred. So far, it's the worst in Illinois. It's also the largest tornado ever recorded. It was traveling at speeds of 70 miles per hour at one point of the tornado. It was classified as an F5 tornado, which killed 695 people. About 500 of them were killed in Illinois.
We are sorry for such a short notice of the previous warning, folks, but it's extremely difficult to predict a tornado due to the conditions before it forms. There's clear skies and still air, and within a matter of minutes, a devastating tornado could be formed. I hope that we caught this one before anyone got hurt. Let's go over to Cole.
Right now, the EF5 tornado, which is the most intense tornado, is heading right at me in the Chesapeake Energy Arena. Me and the fans are in the basement right now, hoping this natural disaster won't hit us. I have just found out that the tornado is going at a speed of 250 miles per hour and a diameter of 1 mile. Right now, I am witnessing Jennifer getting killed by a tornado.
Go.
The tornado has just crashed into the arena, and me and the fans are all okay with the good protection of the basement. And the tornado sounds like it has just ended.
As Michael said earlier, most people die in tornadoes from not being aware. In this case, Jennifer was not aware and got swept away by the tornado because she was stupid and she died. To prevent this, she could have looked at the local news radar. She could have read the alerts on her phone if she had an iPhone, or she could have looked out the window minutes before it happened. She could have went to a safe room, stayed away from windows, stayed away from doors, and she would have been okay. But in this case, she's dead. Lysol, the fastest acting window cleaner now. Get it now. It cleans your window so you can see the tornado, it cleans it so they can be aware, and it just looks good. As here by my demonstrator Michael, you can see. See, now we can perfectly see the tornado.
This tornado was very devastating to many lives, caused ordinary homes to be shredded into pieces, automobiles to be airborne, and broken glass to be lethal weapons.
Overall, I think this was a great group experience for everybody. We all learned something on who to work with for future projects, and it helped us understand the subject a lot better. We all have something to say to you, Miss Owens. During this project, we learned that Tornado Valley is actually pronounced Tornado Alley.
We love
Earth Science.